Hi, this is Timo from Animo. This is my demo recording submission for jobs for the Future PlugFest, where I show intro between the Paradym Wallet and Matter Launchpad. So first, let's get some of the required credentials in the wallet. This will include the Open Badge credential, which I can get in here. And in the wallet, it will show the required properties, such as the Jobs for Future logo, the achievement, the criteria, and also the badge. I'll accept this. It has been added to my wallet. Also get the permanent resident card in here. That will also be shown with the required fields that need to be displayed and the profile image. I can accept this in my wallet. And finally, let's get an academic award in there. So I'll scan this one. And once this has been added, we have 3 credentials in the wallet that we can share. This one also shows the needed information, which I can accept. And I also want to show receiving a credential from the universal issuer from the Danube. So I can get the Open Badge credential, scan that, and this also shows the needed information. I'll add it to my wallet, and now we have 4 credentials, 2 of which are the Open Badge credential. So we'll go back to the Matter Launchpad, and I can now create a multi-credential request for the 3 credentials we have issued. It will generate a QR code. I scan it with the wallet, and in the wallet you can now see there's the 3 credentials that are requested, with the fields that will be shared. And because I also have I have 2 Open Badge credentials, I can switch the example universe, like the Open Badge credential, and I can also choose to share one from the universal issuer. I'll share the Matter one because we're integrating with the Matter Launchpad here. So I'll accept it. Then it will share all the credentials and create verifiable presentations. And then Matter Launchpad shows that there's 3 VP tokens submitted for the 3 verifiable presentations, and the 3 credentials, the Open Badge, the permanent resident card, and academic award have been shared. Thank you.